Okay, you guys, before I get this video started, I want to give a quick shout out to two people that seen my logo on the back of a vehicle or at a truck stop. So the first one goes to Alec Ayers, who seen it on the back of this black Kia right there. And I think he said he was at a Steak and Shake when he seen it. So shouts out to him. And also shouts out to Dylan Storts, who also said he seen my logo at a truck stop in Indianapolis. So make sure you guys give them a follow, and any projects that they come up with in the future, make sure you support them. And like always, thanks for watching. Good morning, good afternoon, good night, whenever you may see the video. Trucker_XL, and today we actually doing some trucking stuff. Right now, you guys probably wondering what is that, but this is my hot wire. So basically, I got my buddy here, Juraski. Y'all probably remember him from the tug of war video. And basically, we're about to hook this here inverter up because he is an expertise when it comes down to wire and accessories. So basically, he's passing me the ground wire here. So that's already half the job right there. He took a big drill and went through the floorboard like it was nothing. No time, just shredded through my floorboard like it was nothing. Now, I mean, I don't know if that's a good or bad thing. That may be a good drill, it may be a bad drill, or maybe the truck just run. Not really sure. But basically,
Chicago Electric.
Okay, all right. So
Harbor Freight.
So you guys may want to look at the reviews of that. So basically, we're going to mount this on the wall here somewhere, and we're going to go ahead and get it right because everybody know, due to the coronavirus, the truck stops are acting very, very strange about their microwaves and whatnots. And so basically, you know, I just need a way to be able to cook me some food at the truck stops whenever they don't want me in there. He drives trucks as well, but he's home every day, so he doesn't have to worry about those type of problems and stuff.
I'm doing like that, driving.
Well, I mean, I'm not saying it's a bad thing. I mean, I would love to be home every day too, but I mean, hey, it doesn't work out like that, fortunately. So, yeah, we got the Power Drive 2000. Oh, and you guys always remember, safety first. We got the fuse right there for safety and everything and whatnot. So I'm finna come down and let you guys.
I was gonna put it low, but yeah, you got all this one.
Yeah. So you guys see, he already has the battery box open. He's trying to find a location to hook everything up to. So he already has the hot wire and the ground wire ran.
Let me take this hot wire back out.
I see that's the hole that he did right there. So what's that? That's a remote wire? A little small? Oh, yeah.
Ground.
It's another ground?
Yeah, another ground. I was sitting there wondering the same thing.
I keep thinking about like it's an amp or something.
Actually, could be. I got the ground symbol on it.
Life of a truck driver. You gotta hate it, but you gotta love it.
Yeah, which these brokers think the same way.
Oh, it's my company thought the same way.
No, you can't see that.
Yeah. The good old company. Just had to get a steer tire put on. I need another. It was about to shake me out of there. The truck was shaking like a stripper.
Oh yeah, I don't felt that before. It's not a good feeling.
Oh no. Then it's crazy. I replaced the hold on, let me pause it. Alright, so basically guys, he's cutting the hot wire so he could put the fuse in. Cause they say these things here are dangerous without a fuse in them. I don't know how true it is, but at the same time, I ain't got time to figure out.
Yeah, I want my good old buddy to be burned up.
Yeah, I don't want to burn up either. I mean, I know I got to leave here some kind of way, but goodness gracious, I don't want to leave here like that.
Good way to leave here.
Ain't no good way to leave here, though. Then I'm fat too. Man, boy, I'll be a pile of hamburger, you know. Then where they got these trucks is rigor, one way in, one way out. You ain't got no back door back though. So I have to come through the cab. Well, at that point right there, depending on how bad the fire don't got, I'll just stay in. Cause like they say, the captain's supposed to go down with the ship. And like I said, this is Jurassic Bullet with Bullet Boys Racing. For all your racing and performance needs, this is where you need to go at. They got a bunch of Mustangs. I ain't no Mustang fan. I'm not even a Ford fan. I just like the Power Stroke.
I hear that a lot from Chevrolet guys.
What? They're not Chevrolet. They're not Ford fans.
Yeah, but they own a Ford though.
I mean, I just like the Power Stroke. I mean, if it wasn't for that,
Still a Ford.
if it was not for that diesel, sir, I would not have a Ford. Cause to be honest with you, I have never even been inside of a Mustang.
They make 2,500, 3,500 Chevrolet, you know.
They do, but I don't like the Duramax though. If it came down to it, I love the Power Stroke. But if it came down to it, I get a Cummins before a Duramax, and I don't like the Cummins unless they're in semis. Cummins, they just sound weird to me. They say that they're powerhouses, but I'm not really sure. That'll be a video for a whole different day. We'll discuss that later about Cummins.
Call out any Cummins in the tug of war.
Call out a Cummins in the tug of war?
Yeah, call out any Cummins in the tug of war.
I'll tell you what. If you could find somebody with a Cummins in the tug that wants to do a tug of war, I'll do it. But we gotta have a better time this time.
We gotta have some sticks though this time.
Yeah. Seeing Mike Fraser truck, might have to get a chain off his truck or something.
Oh yeah.
You know, I had a telephone line one time, you know, like the anchor wire. I had one low one time. I should have kept it. I believe that would have been strong enough. What you think?
I would. I'm have to try to sharpen these things.
You gonna sharpen it with that?
Yeah. Don't put this on me, this ain't safe.
Cut. Alright, so basically, see, we don't switch positions here. And he got me holding this thing up. Oh, no buddy. Shouldn't it just go on the middle?
I want to put it in them, come put enough on there to hold it. Just move that way for a second.
Okay. Well, almost done. We switched position here so I can hold it up from the outside while he put the screws in. Oh.
Man, we fit.
These power tools, man. No.
Move it that way.
Oh, yeah, he got your hose already right though. So like I said, you guys, this way right here, I could be able to use my microwave and my hot plate on the truck, so I ain't gotta worry about being in like the truck stops, because a lot of them, they really having a fit about letting us come in and use the microwave and stuff. Some don't care, like always. Some of them kind of tripping. And then on top of that, the restaurants, they're closing extra early too, so yeah, they gotta have something to eat out here on the road, man. And this is the Power Drive 2000 watt.
Lift it up.
Huh?
Lift it up. I'm in an awkward position.
He said he's in an awkward position here.
Alright, you got it.
Alright, so then that's pretty much secured, but we're gonna put about 12 more screws in there. Because you never know. You always want your stuff to be secure. What they said in trucking school, properly mounted and secured. Yep, that's what you always want. So after I get this in, I'll be able to put me a good vacuum in here, clean up, because you guys see it's pretty rough in here. It's rare that we have a day like this in trucking. Usually everything just move, gas, no brakes. So, you know, I'm just kind of thankful for this right here, because my buddy here kind of chewed me out about having to do some work for whatever reason.
You gotta tell the truth out of it.
Yeah, I'm gonna tell him, man. Because I mean, I am grateful for you helping me.
Can't find a hole.
You can't find the hole, huh? How did you ever have kids?
I don't know.
Let me see here. I think that's it. Yeah, that's it. They gotta go slow. Yep. There you go.
That's hard work.
Is it really? Like I said, this is Jurassic with bullet bars, racing performance. His big brother Dante actually said that he should probably just do work on semis instead of doing work on raggedy race cars. Cause I'll tell you like this, man, every race car is gonna be different. You just never know. Everybody has a different way of doing things, and yeah, pretty much. Yeah, I'm gonna cut this part out, fast forward a little bit, so I don't want to bore you guys. I'll be back. Well, you guys, we got a clean install on the inverter, and I'll show you guys that later. And then we started working on the coolant leak, and it's getting pretty bad. Yeah, y'all see how technical these fangled contraptions are. And really what happened was we were trying to do a patchwork, but when we took the clamp off, and you see the clamp down there, it just got worse. So we had to do a whole lot more stuff that me and my mechanic really didn't want to do today. I ain't gonna really fail him too much, because he probably just upset now. So like I said, you guys, I'll show you the inverter later. And I really don't know what this hose go to. What do this hose go to?
It look like the back of that compressor.
And
goes through the thermostat housing. I don't know what the hell that is right now.
So through the thermostat housing,
I don't know what that is.
some mystery piece, and then somewhere in the back of the motor, got a bucket trying to catch some of it. Probably just gonna get new coolant in there. Fish sticks. It's a part of trucking, I tell you. That's a part of trucking.
Let me see it.
We got to go through the. Got to go in the front.
Through there?
Yeah.
on and just got pushed back one. Shit gonna be up on the bottom there.
Where that motherfucker at? What's that, please?
The hole won't come back off? Yeah, I need to try to get my little hands in there. Oh yeah, it's in. It's in.
I didn't want to make sure the bitch was. I want for sure. I heard it snap on.
That's in, man. Stop playing with it. Freightliner made one when they made the one.
I damn sure they just put these clip back on like this.
Put you some holes in between.
You got something thin?
Thin holes.
Oh, I think I got some of them things I had to take off.
Oh yeah, them little with the little rubber thing.
Yeah. I think I had took like a couple of them off.
Now what this is, we just installed him.
It's some kind of water bypass hose, I don't know exactly what we call it. I'm just a mechanic. I'm just mechanically inclined.
So basically that make you Freightliner certified.
Somewhat.
Here, bullet boy racing.
Really wasn't all that bad.
It wasn't too bad. I think it was at the left. I don't. They got it.
You should move the stuff out of the way.
Yeah, these here ought to work a whole lot better.
I don't think that
Yeah.
fit to it.
Here you go. I got a big one.
I was saying I had something I already had took this off of. Kid Dale trying to drill.